Hello, welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to parse specific text in a PDF and create a QuickBooks Online Invoice with the parsed text. We will use this sample PDF to demonstrate the data parsing, and we will get the invoice number and the first line item in the table. To begin, let's create a Zap, and in our Triggers tab, we will choose Google Drive because this is where we store the sample PDF. Then choose New File and Folder. Let's select the Google Drive account, the drive name, and the folder name where the file is located. Now let's test if Google Drive can communicate with Zapier. Great! We connected the two correctly. To confirm that you have the right file, you can check the title or click on this drop-down box to find the right one. Now that we have access to the PDF file, we can now extract the text. So next, let's set up the PDF.co document parser. In the input field, let's select the PDF file URL, and we will use the template ID 1. If you're new to Document Parser, please click on the Document Parser walkthrough video above. The walkthrough video will help you how to create your own template and where to get the template ID. Now let's test our Document Parser configuration. Excellent! So now we have the invoice ID and the table item. We're now ready to move on to QuickBooks Online and create an invoice. Let's choose our customer name and enter the customer email address. In the invoice number, let's get the parsed invoice ID. In the product service, let's choose sales. In the description, let's get the row 1, column 1 value. And we will leave quantity to 1. In the rate field, let's get the row 1, column 3 value. In the amount field, let's get the row 1, column 4 value. Now let's click on Test and Review. Great! We have successfully created the invoice. Now here's the QuickBooks invoice we created, which contains the invoice number and the first line item. To check out our Zapier tutorials, please visit our website PDF.co, hover on Integrations, and click Zapier Plugin. We have a lot of pre-made Zaps that you can readily use and watch PDF.co in action through our other Zapier tutorials. You're very much welcome to send us your questions. Just click on Support or join our PDF.co Automation Experts group on Facebook. We added the links in the description box below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial, and we look forward to hearing from you.